Welcome to the fourth episode of Regional Recipes on the Upliance. If you're new here, Upliance is an AI cooking assistant to level up your day-to-day cooking experience. Let's look at the South Indian state that is known for its food, mostly associated with the flavors of coconut and that soothing curry leaves touch. Pineapple Pachadi or Madura curry, which translates into sweet dish. The sweet and sour flavor of the dish stands out from all the other types of side dishes served in the authentic Malayali Sadhya. Turmeric and chili powder marks that taste for keeping that spice at the same time. Tamarind paste adds that sourness into the recipe. In some parts of Kerala, it is also made with curd. Lastly, tempering of spices is done in coconut oil to add that flavor to it towards the end. If you're craving for more of the Kerala flavors, do check out our recipes like avial, pineapple pulisherry, and maybe also that chemmin thiyal when you crave for more spicy seafood.